video which I'm recording, this very interesting topic, which most of the entrepreneurs, most of the women entrepreneurs whom I have interacted, I've come across what they struggle with is, selling, and their products are extremely good. They are amazing. They have some USPs in each of them. Like if you just go and see any of the Facebook marketplaces, even if you type for soap, a simple soap, you will get hundreds of listings, which will say that this soap is good, this soap is horrible, this soap is organic, this soap helps you remove your tan, this helps you give a good skin, this is good for babies, this is good for a glowing skin, this is very efficient, this is very good, this is long lasting, this has a good fragrance, and on and on. So what is that? What helps you? What makes you buy from a particular seller? So let me just take you back in the journey. When you go and search for soap, is it that you were just thinking that, okay, let me just go and Google soap right now. I'm just doing nothing. Let me just go and see what are the various soaps available on the Facebook marketplace or any social media marketplace. Does that happen anytime? Obviously no. You are facing a particular problem. There is a requirement what you want to fulfill, and that's the reason you just going and exploring some options, and there you see a huge number of options. Now how is that? How you are going to select your product? Or let's take the example of soap, since we started with it. How is that how you are going to buy a particular soap? So if let's take the example of tanning. So if you are facing problem with tanning, you would want to see which are the soaps which help you get rid of tan in the most best way. Then which are these soaps which are cost efficient? That comes probably the last. Before that, which are the ones which are organic or herbal, which have less, because I'm going and it's not a brand. It's not like very renowned. I'm not even sure if they are FDA approved. So this is something what I'm going to try. So if I'm going to try, it has to be with all these qualities, all these tags of herbal, so that it doesn't have any side effects. Otherwise it will remove the tanning part and you will get something else along with it. You don't want that to happen. So you don't want a lot of chemicals to be there. What is that? How is that how you are going to help select that soap what will help you reduce the tanning in the most efficient way? And how is that seller supposed to market his soap in the address this market? So there is a lot of information currently. As you go and see, as I said, the moment you type a simple thing like soap, you will get hundreds of listings. If you even go and type somewhere in any of the groups which you are associated with, I am looking for a soap, I'm sure you will have more than 500 comments saying that these are the various soaps which we have. These are the various ways. Please reach out to me on WhatsApp. Please, I've pinged you on Messenger. I have pinged you, and blah 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 blah. So all that happens, and then there is a lot. So you understand there's a lot of information overload, and how is that? How you are going to come out of that overload, right? So this information, if somebody is telling you something beyond the obvious, okay, I repeat that again. If any of the sellers is telling you something beyond the obvious, for example, along with tanning, it also helps you it leaves you with a soft skin, or leaves you with a very glowing skin, and anytime later it will also probably have an effect that it has an inbuilt ingredient of SPF, some sun protection, a chemical or whatever that is, some ingredient. So along with helping you reduce the tan, it will also protect you from further tan. So this kind of thing, if this kind of product, if these are the features what you find listed, what are the chances that you are going to buy that? I'm sure 100%. You are going to make the decision as quick as possible. And that is what I want to get your notice, is you don't have to tell them about all that what everybody has probably. Okay? You have to tell them something beyond the obvious. Don't show them your soap. Show them with probably something what they've not seen. Something, and that is how the consumers have evolved in the current market. So this is another way to handle, and I'm sure even if you handle your sales in this particular manner, it's going to help you increase sales in 10x, in 5x. I'm quite certain about it, because you know that this is what the key USP of your product is, and how to highlight that USP. What generally the sellers do is they try and reach out to anybody and everybody on the floor. Okay, and that's the biggest mistake, because there are thousands others who are doing the same thing. So why should a buyer come and buy from you? Only and only when you tell him, or if you give him insights. Probably that, let me just expand that a bit more. Information beyond the obvious is when they are going to be inclined, or they are going to be in that zone where, I have shortlisted this one seller from amongst the 2-3 others, and then probably the pricing comes, or probably some other requirements. Somebody wants a good fragrance. I want lavender only. I want this. I want that. I want the soap to be in brown color only. I don't want it to be in green. So these are some key factors which will help you increase sales, and this is what the consumer today is looking for. Go and try this simple trick in your next sales promo or in your next sales ad, and I'm sure you will find a difference. If not, let me know what you failed at. Okay, yeah, thank you.